Power BI is very effective for generating insights, but writing DAX code to analyze data takes time. Fortunately, you can create calculations and measures faster using Power BI's Quick Measures feature. Over the next few minutes, you'll explore the concept of quick measures, learn about the different types available, and review the process for creating them in Power BI. AdventureWorks wants to quickly analyze and monitor the performance of its sales team against several key performance indicators. But constantly rewriting the same DAX code for each performance review is time-consuming. AdventureWorks can speed up the process using Power BI's Quick Measures feature. Let's learn more about how quick measures work in Power BI, so you can help AdventureWorks. As you've just learned, quick measures are a useful technique for performing commonly used calculations quickly and easily. A quick measure runs a set of DAX commands behind the scenes, then presents the results as a new measure you can use in your reports and visualizations. In other words, you don't have to spend time writing DAX code. The measure does it for you based on the inputs you provide. There'll still be times when you need to write DAX expressions for specific business case scenarios, but quick measures can still act as a good foundation. Many different categories of DAX calculations are available to work with, and you can modify these calculations to meet your specific analytical needs. When creating quick measures in Power BI, you can choose calculation types depending on the nature of the analysis you want to perform. Types of quick measures include aggregate per category, filters, and time intelligence. There are also totals, mathematical operations, and text. Quick measures in Power BI offer several benefits for data analytics and reporting. You can use quick measures to generate commonly used calculations with just a few clicks. This eliminates the need to write DAX expressions, making the process more efficient. Another benefit is accessibility. You can create quick measures using Power BI's user-friendly interface. This accessible UI means even users with limited DAX knowledge can create calculations. Quick measures also help with data. They empower business users to take ownership of their data analysis and reporting. This simple and accessible tool for creating calculations reduces dependency on data experts. And quick measures also offer flexibility to iterate and refine calculations. If you need to adjust a calculation or explore alternative metrics, you can easily modify your quick measures without affecting the underlying data. Now that you're familiar with the basics of quick measures, let's help AdventureWorks use them to track the performance of its sales team. Before we begin, let's quickly review the model. You've launched Power BI, connected to your data sources, and loaded, transformed, and configured the following tables for your model: products, region, sales, and salesperson. Now you can begin creating measures in Power BI. The first step is to select the report view or data view to access the calculations group. Within this group, select Quick Measure. The Quick Measures window appears on the screen. Choose the required calculation type and fields to run the calculations. Alternatively, you can select the ellipses next to the table name on the data pane. Then select New Quick Measure from the drop-down menu. Remember that the measure is created by default in the table you have selected from the data pane. On the right side of the window, choose Select Calculation. This action opens a list of available calculation types in Power BI. AdventureWorks must calculate what quantity of each product each team member has sold. So, choose Total for category, filters applied. Next, you must select the required fields from the right pane to perform calculations. Select the Sales column from the Sales table and assign it as the base value. Then select the Category column from the Product table and assign it to the Category section. Then select Add to add these elements to the measure. The new quick measure appears in the Fields pane, and the underlying DAX formula appears in the formula bar. AdventureWorks also needs to know how much revenue each team member has generated this year. You can calculate this using a year-to-date sales measure. To create this sales measure, you can repeat the same process as before. Select Quick Measure from the Measure Tools tab, then select the Year-to-Date Total calculation type. Then select the Sales column from the Sales table as the base value, and the Order Date column from the Product table in the Dates section. Finally, select Add. A new measure called Sales YTD appears in the fields in the Data pane. Thanks to your help, AdventureWorks can now quickly track the performance of its sales team using quick measures. And you should now understand the importance of quick measures, be familiar with the different types available, and be able to create them in Power BI.